Welcome back, design enthusiasts. Whether you're giving your space a makeover or just looking to add a touch of elegance, choosing the right rug can make all the difference. In this video, we'll guide you through the art of selecting the perfect rug for your room. Let's dive in. 1. Understanding the importance of rug size. The size of your rug plays a crucial role in defining the aesthetics of your room. A too small rug can make the space feel disconnected, while an oversized rug can overwhelm it. 2. Exploring different rug materials. Rugs come in a variety of materials, each with its unique characteristics. Wool rugs are cozy and durable, perfect for high-traffic areas. Silk rugs exude luxury but require gentle care. 3. Matching rugs with your room's style. Selecting a rug that complements your room's style is key. For a contemporary look, consider a geometric or abstract pattern. Traditional rooms can benefit from intricate designs. 4. Pro tips for rug shopping. Before you make a purchase, keep these tips in mind. Firstly, don't forget to measure your space accurately. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to choosing the perfect rug for your room. Remember, the right rug can tie the entire room together and elevate your interior design.